Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and having a great day and hope you smile after watching this. I'm sending good vibes to you. Whenever you're watching this, just sit down, grab your snacks. It's like a makeup haul, so it's gonna be very chill. It's gonna be a long haul. I recently went to the Flipkart Glam Up event as a content creator, and yeah, I'm super excited for this journey actually. I've been doing collaborations for almost a year now, but not that frequently. I am like now kind of pursuing content creation full time, and this Flipkart Glam Up event was really good. I've got so many products, but of course there were brands which are available on Flipkart. It was mostly skincare and not that much of makeup, so I've got so many sunscreens you all won't even believe. I'm really loving this girly vibe because I don't think I've showcased that much. By the way, upar I'm wearing top, but niche I'm literally wearing ghar ka shawl. That's the perk of shooting at home. I have not even finished my Nykaa Land products. Half of them are literally in that cupboard, like right there. Like bro, if I'll show you, तो बहुत सारे बचे हैं एंड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो टाइनी. मतलब उन्होंने लाइक सैम्पल साइज वाले प्रोडक्ट्स दिए थे, फिर भी वो खत्म नहीं हुआ है. लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द डॉट एंड की मॉइस्चराइजर फॉर ओवर लाइक 6 months नाउ एंड अभी जाके वो फिनिश हुआ है. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी सीरम्स एंड मॉइस्चराइजर्स स्टिल लेफ्ट इन माय कबर्ड. My profile says that I am a dance and lifestyle creator, right? But I didn't have much lifestyle related content such as like beauty, food, fashion related content. When it comes to makeup, I became an L18 ambassador. It was really exciting. It was pretty hectic, but I did it and I'm really proud of it. I've not worn that much makeup in my life ever, trust me. But yeah, it's a really good experience. I don't know how these beauty creators do it, to be honest, but I've kind of got the hang of it now. For fashion content, I am an Outsider girly now. I don't have the coupon code yet, but as soon as I get it, I'll share with you guys. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, or of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have a broadcast channel on Instagram. I'll be sharing my codes there first. If you want to be the first person to know those codes, then join my broadcast channel. You can use those coupon codes or reward codes whenever you check out. Share it with your friends and family as well, so you get a discount while you check out. I am a creator for Outsider, which is a fashion brand, and it's very Gen Z coded. I've already posted one reel and a post. Like this month, I really wanted some other content on my feed other than dance to showcase everything else that I love. Of course, there will be dance content ahead. Without further ado, let's get into it. It's gonna be long, so please sit down, aram se, and chill. So my friend Priyanka, she told me to make it because she loves hauls, but we all do, don't we? I was like, why not? Let's just make it. It's fun, and I don't have to do much as well. I just have to show the product. I literally had to buy organizers. Before, I didn't have much beauty or skincare products in my home. I was not that much into it, but when I went to Nykaa Land, bro, I'm telling you, I understood why girls go crazy over makeup and skincare. Like it was crazy, and the amount of products I got. I already, I think, have Nykaa Land vlog in which I did a haul as well. So if you haven't checked that out, really recommend you to go check it out as well. Like Nykaa Land is something that any girl would dream of. Nykaa Land mein I got products, but I still could fit it in my cupboard. But now I went to Flipkart Glam Up also, and I got so many bags from there as well. I couldn't fit everything in my cupboard. I literally had to order organizers, so I can just get rid of the bags and put all the products in the organizers and then keep them nicely in my cupboard. After Nykaa Land, I really got interested in skincare. I didn't actually do skincare. I started doing it after I finished my college, and I really can see some changes in my face, which also makes me want to use skincare more, right? I really want to know makeup as well. At first, I thought makeup is also something like rocket science, but it's not. It's actually really easy if you know what you're supposed to do. I'm learning bit by bit, and I'm liking it. So far, so good. So let's stop all the blabbering and get into it. Firstly, I got the Dot and Key Vitamin C Serum, which has been going super viral lately. I really wanted to buy one, but I was waiting that कभी तो मेरे को collaboration मिल जाएगा जिसमें ये मेरे को free में मिल जाएगा. And yeah, so I got it at the Glam Up event, and I'm really happy about this especially. This is a Aqualogica Vitamin C Night Gel. I was really happy to get Aqualogica products as well. I got a Fix Derma body lotion, the Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub, which my mom was very happy about. A Fix Derma cleanser as well. A Salicylamide face wash from Dermaco. And yeah, Derma Touch also gave too many products. This is a sunscreen gel from Dermaco, and this is a serum which has like niacinamide, then vitamin E and kojic acid as well. I had so much tan, for which I've started using kojic acid. So I've been using kojic acid. So I've been using glycolic acid, which claims to remove tan as well. These both are very good for your pigmentation as well. If you have any like dark spots, then it gets rid of it, but it will take a while. Of course, you've got to be consistent with it. Salicylic acid acid and niacinamide is very good for glowing skin. I think so. I'm not sure. But if you have a sensitive skin, then please check with your dermats first. I don't personally have a sensitive skin. I have an oily sort of skin. So I use Kojic soap every day, but I use glycolic acid like alternate days. That also I've not been very consistent, to be honest, because I've been so occupied with other things currently. It should be used alternate days and not for more than 3 months. That is what Google told me. If you use it for a longer period of time, then it of course will damage your skin. If you overdo it, if you do it properly, then it won't. Look at me giving skincare advice. Oh my god, we've come a long way, guys. So yeah, I just checked that salicylic acid is used for exfoliation, which is to remove the dead skin, and it will of course reveal the brighter, fresher skin. Niche wala. Then niacinamide is used for anti-aging and reducing your wrinkles. So yeah, that was a skincare class, guys. Skincare 101 with Sakshi. Then I got a serum from Mixin as well. Fixderma SPF. Literally just count the number of SPFs I've got. This is another sunscreen from Nivea. I told you, just count. So I recently got invited for the Faye exclusive launch as well, where they gave me their moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer, and also of course their new launch, which is the evening exfoliator. It's pink, which is really cute. It looks like this. So there are like two layers. There is this whitish layer and there is this pinkish layer, and you have to shake it before use, and it's an evening exfoliator, so you have to use it in your night routine. You do not use any other acids along with it. I also got products from Lotus, so we actually stayed till the very end. The way they just give out whatever products are left to anyone that comes near the stall. हम लोग just ऐसे last stroll ले रहे थे. We were just sitting somewhere and the lady from Lotus just came to us like, hey, do you want the products or something? So we were like, of course, why not? And she gave us so many products. Like I got 3 sunscreens. No. I got like 2 sunscreens and a vitamin C sunscreen. This is a vitamin C face wash. Got a vitamin C face wash from Soulfla. And I also got this rose from Soulfla shampoo and conditioner. Face wash from Mama Earth. This is a face wash from Boutique. Then I got this sunscreen from Sunscoop. This is a hair mask, conditioner and spray from Matrix. 2 Dr. Shade sunscreen. This is the toner and this is the moisturizer from Boutique. Then I got this pack of Fiyama soaps, another organizer. The vitamin C serum from Plum. This is a Fixderma moisturizer. Sunscreen from Aqualogica. 5 tubes of face wash from Aqualogica. It's this one. Aqualogica also gave so many products at the end, so I also got 3 of their sunscreen. Wanted like this product as well. This is Rexona ka body roll on. Lex gave some tablets which are like glow tablets something. 2 roll-ons from Eva, 2 perfumes from Eva, however it's pronounced. Another roll-on from Nivea. Then I got a shampoo from Fixderma, perfume or body mist from Aqualogica. Then I got this cute bag from Cetaphil, in which I got day and night cream from Bioluma, face wash, Cetaphil cleanser, best thing ever. We are on to the last one now. So this one has a lot of perfumes. I'll just show you what I got from Benzac. Cute little bag. Like it's like a sling bag. And in that they gave us their pimple patches. So this is the pimple patch. And then also gave their gel wash. It also has like a cute pop socket. I got a perfume set from the Man Company. A perfume from Bug, French Essence perfume. Then another perfume from Shania. It's like this. I haven't really opened them yet, so I cannot show you what's inside. Kaya's moisturizing cream is this one. Olay's retinol serum. This is Renee's Lumi Glow moisturizer. Face and body lotion from Moise. These cute stickers from Livon because their products got over, so we didn't get anything from Livon. I didn't get anything from Livon. Beardo has like a sister brand which is Freed. It's a perfume brand, of course, and I got their perfumes. One is Little Cozy, another one is Spice Baby. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope you guys liked it. I've got products for like a year. If you guys liked it, then make sure you like, comment and share. Also follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.